Welcome. Today we're covering a simple yet incredibly useful feature in your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y, folding the rear seats. This allows you to significantly expand your cargo space, making it easier to transport larger items. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Now, let's find the release levers. In the Model 3, you'll find red levers at the top corners of the rear seatbacks. The Model Y has similar levers, though their exact placement might vary slightly due to its SUV design. Refer to your owner's manual if needed. These levers release the seatbacks so they can fold down. Pull the lever to release the seatback. Then gently push the seatback forward until it folds flat. Remember, the Model 3 has a 60-40 split, so you can fold one or both sides. The Model Y seats fold into a well, creating a nearly flat loading surface. Make sure to listen for a click when the seats are locked in place. Once the seats are folded, take a moment to double-check that they are securely locked in the down position. Pull up slightly on the seat backs to ensure they don't move. This is important for safety during transport. Now you can load your cargo safely. The Model 3's cargo capacity increases from about 15 cubic feet to 28 to 30 cubic feet with the seats folded. The Model Y expands from 27 cubic feet to an impressive 68 cubic feet, giving you plenty of space for luggage, gear, or even larger items. For example, the expanded space can accommodate large items or even allow creative loading solutions, though always prioritize safety and proper weight distribution. To return the seats to their upright position, simply lift the seatbacks until they latch securely. Always ensure they click into place. This is crucial for passenger safety, especially in the event of an accident. A properly latched seat is vital for crashworthiness, according to NHTSA data. Here's a pro tip. According to a J.D. Power survey, 78% of Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners fold their rear seats weekly for groceries or travel. This feature transforms your vehicle into a versatile cargo carrier. Recent software updates, like Tesla's full self-driving V12.5.1, integrate voice-activated commands. You can now fold the seats remotely through the vehicle's infotainment system or the Tesla app, enhancing convenience without changing the mechanical process. To take advantage of these voice commands, make sure your Tesla app is up to date. Check for updates in the App Store and install them to unlock new features like remote seat control. Most importantly, always double-check that the seats are securely locked in place before driving. This prevents any movement during transit and ensures your cargo remains stable. Folding seats isn't just about space, it's about versatility. Tesla owners have used this feature for camping trips, delivery services have increased their payloads, and it consistently scores high in practicality ratings. For camping, a Model Y owner transported a full setup, including tent, gear, and 2 bikes by folding the rear seats, creating over 68 cubic feet of space. Delivery services have retrofitted Model 3s with folded seats for package storage, increasing payload by 50% compared to standard trunks. In surveys, 92% of Tesla owners find the folding seats a key selling point, surpassing ratings for traditional SUVs. This simple design enhances your Tesla's functionality and makes it a truly versatile vehicle.